Lezi indaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli. Bukela nazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
We do not intend to have any specific targeted tariffs and removal of benefits for US companies.
Uhulumeni wakuleli uthi usazobhekisisa izinyathelo zawo ezilandelayo emva kokuthi umengameli waseMelika uDonald Trump ememezela intela yamaphesenti engama-30 yempahla yakuleli ethunyelwa kwelaseMelika.
The police docket case number Littleton 176/03/24 in this matter to the applicant is hereby refused.
Sibhuntshile isicelo sikaloyo wabengusomlomo wePhalamende uNosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula sokufuna ukuhlinzekwa ngengxenye yedokode ecaleni lakhe lenkohlakalo.
That doesn't mean we must close the investigation and stop. Hence, we have appointed a senior investigator to look at further avenues.
Umnyango wamaphoyisa usuvumile ukuthi uphenyo lwezitolo zokudlwengulwa kwentombazanyana eneminyaka eyisikhombisa yase-Eastern Cape lwalungaphathwa ngendlela engcono. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lesikhombisa ezingunqa phambili kanti futhi-ke ezihamba phambili. Igama lami nginguDaud Phungula. Uhulumeni waseNingizimu Afrika uthi uzoqhubeka nokuxhumana nohulumeni waseMelika ngemva kokumenyezelwa kwentela yemikhiqizo yakuleli ethunyelwe eMelika. Ungqongqoshe wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba uRonald Lamola kanye nongqongqoshe wezohwebo kanye nezimboni uPakstow namhlanje bacacise ngamasu iNingizimu Afrika ezowasebenzisa kule ntengo entsha yentela yaseMelika.
INingizimu Afrika ithi ngeke iziphindisele kwelaseMelika ngokwenyusa intela emikhiqizweni ethunyelwa elaseMelika kuleli. Kusukela ngoLwesithathu oluzayo kulindeleke ukuthi ezinye izimpahla zakuleli ezithunyelwa eMelika zikhokhiswe intela engamaphesenti angama-30.
In our context, taking an approach that says we will impose reciprocal tariffs, firstly without understanding how the US arrived at 31%, and then begin to respond without engaging with the US would be counterproductive. It also runs the risk of a race to the bottom because everybody in the world is making different decisions. There's all sorts of knee-jerk reactions to the announcements made.
Ungqongqoshe uTawu uthi bayalazi iqhaza elibanjwa izinkampani zaseMelika ezizinze eNingizimu Afrika.
Do we intend to target US companies? No. Companies that qualify for the APDP will continue to qualify for the APDP. We do not intend to have any specific targeted tariffs and removal of benefits for US companies.
Lo sombusazwe waseMelika uRonnie Jackson wethule umthethosivivinywa wokucubungula ubudlelwane phakathi kweNingizimu Afrika neMelika ngezinsolo zokuthi elakuleli lisondelene namazwe ayizitha zeMelika.
South Africa has always maintained its non-alignment posture. We engage with all countries of the world in a non-aligned posture. As a developing and an emerging economy, it is in our interest to be able to engage with everyone.
Ngaphezu kwalokho sekuvele nemibiko yokuthi iMelika ingase ifake unswinyo kubantu abathile eNingizimu Afrika. Nokho-ke lakuleli lizojuba izithunywa zalo eMelika njengoba lisemzamweni wokuthola uzothatha izintambo zokuba inxusa lakuleli eMelika.
Sigcine senqatshiwe namhlanje enkantolo yesicelo siwayo ngusomlomo wePhalamende sokuhlinzekwa ngomqingo wedokodo ongu-C-section wamacala abhekene nawo. uNosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula ubhekene nezitolo zamacala enkohlakala ayi-12 nelilodwa lokushintshiselana ngemali ngokungemthetho okungamacala asukela ngesikhathi esengungqongqoshe wezokuvikela. Inkantolo ephakeme ePitoli ayivumanga ukuthi ahlinzekwe ngomqingo wedokodo oqukethe ngophenyo lwecala.
Ijaji lithe uhlangothi lukaNosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula lwehlulekile ukucacisa ngaphandle kokungabaza ubumqoka bokuhlinzekwa kwalo ngalokho oqukethwe kumqingo u-C-section wecala lezinsolo zenkohlakalo eyisukela ngesikhathi okaMapisa-Nqakula esengungqongqoshe wezokuvikela ngaleso sikhathi.
The respondent is ordered to provide the applicant with progress report on the representations made by Nombaza Mtsondwa Ndlovu in the Pretoria Specialized Crimes Court pertaining to the DICA Military Police docket case number 07/11/2017. Application for the disclosure of C-section in bracket investigation diary close bracket of the police docket case number 176/03/24 in this matter to the applicant is hereby refused.
Phakathi kokuqukethwe kulomqingo ofuna uNosiviwe Mapisa Nqakula kuthinta loyo kungiyena owaveza ubala insolo zenkohlakalo ngamathenda athile ukwazela kanye nokufumbathisa kwaqhubeka eminyangweni wezokuvikela.
Cannot therefore be correct that numbers are threatened to make a statement based on the above.
Singekwazi ukuthi lokwana Nombasalo yewahoriswa into bangakenza istatement esimina kunje.
It is also not correct that the circumstance under which numbers are made a statement as a Section 204 witness can be found in the disclosure of Section C of the police docket.
Udaba luzobuyela enkantolo ephakeme ePitoli mhla ziyisishiyagalolunye ngenyanga ezayo. OkaMapisa Nqakula uzoqhubeka nokuba ngaphandle ngebheyili.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu namhlanje bekhuluma esithangamini nabezindaba ePitoli ethola umbiko mayelana nophenyo ngecala lokudlwengula elithinta ingane eneminyaka eyisikhombisa obudala eEastern Cape.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu uthi uphenyo lezinsolo zokudlwengula kwentombazanyana eneminyaka eyisikhombisa belungaphathwa ngendlela ehlukile. Kusolakala ukuthi ingane eneminyaka eyisikhombisa yadlwengulwa ngomfumfu wangonyaka odlule isemagcekeni esikole eMatatiyela. Kanti akekho owabekwa icala ngemuva kokuthi umshushisi eveze ukuthi abukho ubufakazi obanele.
Now, DNA testing was done on the victim as per procedure. And the outcome of those who were dealing with the matter was that no foreign DNA could be found on the victim. But in the course of time, there were 3 persons of interest who emerged.
Yize uphenyo lokuqala luhlulekile ukuveza umsolo othintekayo kuleli cala, ukhomishana wamaphoyisa kuzolonke uJenene Ufane Masimola uthi amaphoyisa azoqhubeka nophenyo.
But that doesn't mean we must close the investigation and stop. Hence, I appointed a senior investigator to look at further avenues because, as the Minister said, investigation of cases of minors is quite very complex. It takes time because at some point the minor will be of assistance, but also it takes time.
Umnyango wamaphoyisa uzibophezele ukuthi uzoliphatha ngendlela efanele leli cala futhi ufunge wagomela ukuthi uzoqhubeka nokweseka lomndeni.
Abafundi ababalelwe emakhulwini basezikhungweni zemfundo ephakeme abasuke emaqenjini ezombusazwe ahlukene banqoma ukumashela komkhulu leSABC eAuckland Park befuna umsakazo lomphakathi oqhambise kangcono amacala odlama olwayamene nobulili.
Bafundi adele imvula namakhaza ashubisa umkantsha banikele komkhulu leSABC bezokwethula uhlu lwezikhalo zabo ngendlela uphiko lwendaba olusakaza ngakhona indaba ezithinta ukuhlunyazwa kwabesifazane nezingane. Laba bathi kunenqwaba yenhlelo engenamsebenzi ezidlala nsuku zaphuma kodwa ziyindlali inhlelo ezilwa nalesihlava.
The SABC must introduce an on-screen watermark that says be her voice. We are saying that this is not only about Xwexwe. There's a lot of students, a lot of children in the country that have been victimized.
Nezinye inhlaka bezikhona zithi la SABC kunoxhaxha lweinhlelo engenamsebenzi walutho kodwa yilokhu idlale njalo.
They are playing Metro FM or whatnot. They must make sure that they include justice for all the children.
Esinye seyikhulu zeindaba SABC silwamukelile uhlu lwezikhalo sethembisa ukuthi sizoxhumana neziphathimandla bese siphendula.
We will give voices a platform across the country of all people. I think this is confidence that is shown to the SABC.
uphethe ngokuthi athi SABC njengoba isakazela umphakathi nejoka elisemahlombayo ukuthi yenze isiqiniseko sokuthi ifinyelela kuzona zonke indawo futhi nika wonke umuntu ithuba lokuthi abeke lokhu asuke ekhala ngakho ukuze abasemandleni bekwazi ukuphendula.
Kusenjalo ungqongqoshe ehhovisi likaMengameli wezabesifazane nezingane uSindisiwe Chikunga usenxusa izikhungo zomthetho ukuthi ziqinise ukulwa nesihlava sodlame olweyamene nobulili. uChikunga kanye nowengameli ezenhlalakahle esifundazweni Eastern Cape ubukuye Fanta bebehambele umndeni womfundi oneminyaka eyisikhombisa ubudala okusolwa ukuthi udlwenguliwe eMatatiyela.
uChikunga uhlabikho lokuba amagosa ajongene nogcino umthetho nophando aqinisekise kuba akhangela abenzi bobubi khona kuze bajongane nengalo yomthetho.
I believe that the Department of Police will also try to investigate to the extent that they ask more questions on practices in that school. One of the questions that must be asked is whether it is a practice in that school that children are made to clean classes, and it will not be all of them.
Ingxelo zokuba bakho abanye abantwana ababini abathe badlwengulwa sothuse kakhulu amagosa kahulumente.
We want to highlight that it is not only one case, there are 3 cases. It is not a Cwecwe one, there are 2 other cases of a 6-year-old and a 7-year-old.
Lokama isiganeko sokudlwengulwa kwabasekhini ngakumba abantwana kummandla waseMatatiyela kumgama nje ungangekhilomitha ezili-150 eNtabankulu usapho lakwaSiganga lusajonge enkalweni abantwana 4 bolusapho balahleka abakafunyanwa namhla oku.
Lo muntu ogcina abantwana babo endigazi bayi bebathathela ntoni sicela andibuyisele abantwana ekabuyisa abantwana bami anduve abantwana vele baphile ngelanga.
Dinkululeko Nyembezi eMatatiyela.
Bukele sisathiqu ezitolo kanti uma sibuya sizokuphathela uWT.
The ball is in their court. They've chosen the path. They must analyze and decide on implications. If you say you don't want a budget at all cost, you walk.
Unobhala jikelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthi i-DA kuzofanele icacise ukuthi ingabe iyahamba noma cha kuhulumeni wobumbano ngemva kokuthi yenqabele ukweseka ukuvotela kwesabelo mali kuleli sonto. Bukele sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda kungena odabeni oluphambili besibiko ukuthi uhulumeni wakuleli uthi ukhathazekile ngentela yamaphesenti engama-30 nomuvo yempahla yakuleli ethunyelwa kwelaseMelika emenyezelwe umengameli wakuleli yazwe uDonald Trump. Bukele sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube nakwe-SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzozithola ngomjalo bazo. Unobhala jikelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthi i-DA kuzofanele icacise ukuthi ingabe iyahamba noma cha kuhulumeni wobumbano ngemva kokuthi yenqabile ukweseka ukuvotelwa kwesabelo mali kuleli sonto.
And the arrogance of the DA needs to be tamed. They are arrogant. And that's all I can say. They are arrogant. They've got no respect. All what is important for them is that they must win and win and win. This is not a time of winning because we all did not win in the election.
Ithisi ikhathele ukuziphatha kwe-DA ngaphansi kohulumeni wobumbano. Ubuholi be-ANC buyavumelana ngokugxeka i-DA ngemuva kokuthi yenqaba ukuvotela ukuphasisa isabelo mali.
In their court. The ball is in their court. They've chosen the path. They must analyze and decide on implications. If you say you don't want a budget at all cost, you walk. And then nobody said you must walk. So now we have been given a burden to decide the DA fate in the GNU. It can't be our burden.
Bhekela ukusebenza kwansuku zonke kweqembu buzohlangana nesigungu esiphezulu saleli qembu ukubhunganga izihloko ezahlukene kanti udaba lwesabelo mali luzobe luseqhulwini.
On we will report to the National Executive Committee about engagement with political parties, what has actually happened, and at the same time, if there are any recommendations that needs to be made, and what will those recommendations be about.
Isilungiselela ikusasa elingenayo iDA kuhulumeni wobumbano kepha ayikafuni ukuthatha isinqumo sokulikhomba indlela leli qembu njengoba ithi lesinqumo sisezandleni zayo iDA.
Unobhala jikelele weqembu umkhonto wesizwe uFloyd Shibambu ugcizelele ukuthi iqembu lakhe lihambisani nesabelo mali sohulumeni wobumbano. uShibambu usho lokhu ngenkathi ekhuluma nabezindaba.
Alicacile kahle ikusasa le-Democratic Alliance kuhulumeni wobumbano kulandela ukungaboni ngasolinye kwayo ne-ANC kwezinye izinto. Njengoba i-MK Party benomhlangano, ichaza i-ANC njengeqembu ephikisana nalo, hayi isitha.
There are parties that we categorize in the camp of contested opponents, not enemies. There's a difference between enemy forces and opponents. With an enemy, you don't engage. With an opponent, you can engage with a view that you can have a common perspective on some of the issues. And then, of course, there are political parties that are there for the sake of being there, but they do not have any potential to could win any political power, even at the local state level.
MK Party funge yagomela ekutheni izohola indimbane zabantu ngenhloso yokuphikisana nokwenyuswa kwentengo yempahla ethengwayo.
We will work within Parliament to present clear alternatives as to what else can be done instead of increasing VAT, which is going to impoverish our people. But also we're going to take our struggles to the streets to get the people to be the ones that resist the increase on VAT. That is the program which the Secretariat and national officials is going to give a program of action.
Iqembu umkhonto wesizwe lizwakalise ukumelana nokuza kukamangameli wase-Ukraine kuleli njengoba nje lindeleke ukuba evakashelela kuleli kupheleni kwephezulu.
Inkantolo ephakeme yase-Western Cape ehlele Saldanha Bay iqhubekile nokulalela isicelo sabasolwa ababili ecaleni lokuthunjwa kwentombazanyana uJocelyn Smith. Labasolwa bakhala ngokuthi bashaywa ukuze bavume icala nyakenye.
Police no Van Ryn bathi babethelwa ugqirha nezicaka ngamapolisa benyanzelwa ukuba benze ingxelo ezivuma ityala.
That you were unaccompanied. When he entered, I did not see whether or not he's got any lump whatsoever. But only yesterday, during the viewing of the video, I saw that he had a slight lump.
Ujaji Nathan Erasmus uyalele onondaba ukuba xa bebhala amalunga noqulathwe kule ngxelo nekuthiwa yenziwa nguApolis kufuneka bayicacise eyokuba yena uyayiphikisa ebanga ngelithi ayingomazwi yaphuma kuye lawa koko wanyanzelwa ukuba makathini emapoliseni. Kule ngxelo uApolis uthi kwicawe ngaphambi kokulahleka kukaJocelyn unina uKelly Smith wathi kuye udikiwe ngunina khulu notata kaJocelyn abamfunela kubo umntwana. Ugqirha owaphonononga uVan Ryn emva kokwenza le ngxelo ibangwayo uthi nangona wayenezivubeko kodwa zasingakhangeleki njengezomntu ongcungcuthekisiweyo.
What you described sounds very brutal. I would have expected to see much more severe injuries. Bruising, tramp track lines, possible deeper abrasions, fractures possibly. Which is not what I observed when I examined Mr. Van Ryn on that day.
Ityala liyaqhuba ngomvulo kwindaba ze-SABC ndinguSiphiwe Wobasi eSaldanha Bay.
Uhulumeni uhlose ukuqeda ngezindlu zangasese zomgodi ezikoleni ezingaphezulu kwe-140 kuzwelonke ngoNtulikazi walonyaka. Lokhu kusho ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uSiviwe Gwarube ngesikhathi ehambela izikole eLimpopo.
Ngesikhathi ehambele esifundazwe eLimpopo ukuyothula umbiko ngenqubekela phambili yohlelo lokuqeda ngezindlu zangasese zomgodi, uGwarube ubesekhonjiswa nezindlu zangasese ezintsha esezikhona esikoleni Ludani. Uthi kuzokwenziwa konke okusemandleni ukuqinisekisa ukuthi izindlu zangasese zomgodi ziphenduka umlando.
We only have 141 of those toilets identified. So this is an achievement, ladies and gentlemen, but it is not victory. I'm well aware that the 2018 data for the SAFE initiative may not be complete, and therefore we may not account for all pit toilets in the country. There may be still pit toilets that exist and some schools which were not part of the audit.
Owengamele ezemfundo eLimpopo uthi yize unqumlajuqu usudlulile kodwa mkhulu umsebenzi osuwenziwe uxazulula lengqinamba.
Yes, we have missed several deadlines, but there's so much progress on priority 1, which is about eradicating unsafe pit latrines. As we speak, out of the 560 something, we are left with only 16. 8 schools are actually under construction and 8 schools are under adjudication.
Ngqongqoshe uphinde wazibophezela ekutheni umnyango ozohlinzeka ngemali yokunakekelwa kwengqalasizinda.
Bukela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu. Bukele sisibeka lapha ke bese kuphathele zona usale kahle.